What's up, guys? Welcome to Wednesday's Holy Gym-Oly homework. Today we're focusing a little bit more on that overhead squat, trying to prepare for our class tomorrow. So yes, we're covering overhead squat in class on Thursday, but today I want to drill a few things, maybe go just one step further than what we did in class last time. So we're still going to establish a setup. We're going to drive that barbell overhead. We're going to get a setup, very nice, and then we're actually going to squat to a target, so just a little bit farther than the quarter squat, what we did last time. So my barbell's set up in the rig just like I've gotten it countless times before. The only addition to what we haven't covered in class yet is we're getting a box out this time. So whenever we set the box up, I don't want it to the point of when I drop down, or the height-wise, I don't want the height set up to where when I drop down into a squat, I'm finishing with my hips significantly higher than my knees, all right? In this fashion, so the way I have it set up is when I squat down, I'm getting pretty close to parallel, meaning my hip to my knee, and then I'm standing back up. So you're not actually gonna make contact with it with your butt. You're gonna make contact somewhere about the top of your hamstring. Because the way I want you to set this up, I want you squatting to the edge or the corner of a box, all right? I don't want you squatting on a flat side. I want you right here on the corner. So your legs should be straddling this corner. So whenever we squat, you can do this before you actually get the barbell overhead. I just want you to get your feet set up, test that depth. You should be touching, making contact pretty close to parallel, and then stand back up, okay? So that's just some general setup guidelines. If you are too short for a box, feel free to grab a water meter cover, the little plastic boxes that we have, or stack up some 45s and put a wall ball on top. Ultimately, what I'm looking for is that very, very close to parallel and then back up. Give you a target to hit, okay? So the drills we're gonna cover today. We're gonna do a single one, as in one rep, a couple of times. I forget the number that we assigned on the homework, but you're gonna do one tempo overhead squat to a box. Now this doesn't mean relax and rest on the box. This means squat down to a 3-second descent until your butt hits that target, or sorry, not your butt, hamstrings, butt, whatever comes in contact, touches that physical target, and then you stand back up, okay? So what it's gonna look like is we're gonna follow the same guidelines that we've done before. We're gonna get our hands set up, get the bar on our back, make sure that we're stepping out, get those feet established, pull my hands out to where they need to be. Remember, dominant hand first and then non-dominant hand. Drive those elbows under the bar, chest up nice and tall, drop into that push jerk, stand all the way up. Now, once I'm here, I might need to kind of back up to find the box a little bit. You can kind of move and poke those feet around and find the box. Get your feet set, then we're gonna go into the overhead squat. So, we're gonna drop at a 3-second descent. That's 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, back up, okay? So you're gonna only be doing one rep at a time, but just for example, I'm gonna do another one. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, back up, okay? Now, what I don't wanna see is you relaxing on the box. So I've got my barbell overhead, down, 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 I find the box, and I sit. This is a no-no. This is a big no-no. I don't want you to do this. I want you to stay active in that core, active in the lower body. When I drop down into that squat, I barely touch the box and I'm back up. It's almost like you're waiting to find the box and then you explode back up in the top of the squat, okay? So, one tempo overhead squat, 3-second descent, touch the box and then come back up. Have fun, we'll see you tomorrow. Get ready to learn some more.